Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello managed to make it rain during their PCA performance, and we're bringing you all the details right now on Clever's Trophy Life. Thunder, rain, and lightning. Oh my gosh, you guys, Shawn and Camila brought El Nino indoors tonight, and let me just say, I'd stand in the pouring rain for that performance any day. Shawn Mendes demanded full attention as he kicked off his PCA performance solo, singing a small clip of his hit single Stitches. But you guys, don't put those umbrellas and ponchos away just yet, because Camila literally brought the thunder as she then appeared alongside Shawn to remind him exactly what he did last summer. Take a look. Camila channeled a sultry black floral gown, and Shawn let his acoustic guitar do all the talking, and hey, we're not complaining one bit. And it looks like Shawn even predicted the weather yesterday on Twitter, as he wrote, quote, "Tomorrow is gonna be unreal." Well, it's safe to say Shawn kept his promise and more, because we're gonna be playing that performance on repeat for days to come. But now I wanna know what you guys thought about Shawn and Camila's little duet performance, so do me a solid and get the conversation going in the comment section below. And after that, you can click right over here to check out the People's Choice Awards Best and Worst Dress of the Night. And trust me, you absolutely cannot miss it. Thanks so much for checking in here with me on Clever's Trophy Life. I'm Ryland Adams, and I'll see you next time. Click to the left to check out all the best moments from tonight's PCAs, and click to the right to check out a full PCA winners recap.